Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Here I am practicing some Tàijíquán in a little jog, unstable platform. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is not going to sync up, as you'll notice here where I'm talking on the video, but the audio did not get recorded for whatever reason. So, but this particular Tàijíquán Tip, and thank you for subscribing and joining and sharing and commenting and donating, of course. This tip is usually done by me more for fun than for study, although it certainly allows the opportunity to do some really enjoyable study. And that is to try and move to step, to walk, as you practice your Tàijíquán as quietly as you can. I think of it like a ninja exercise, developing my ninja skills. So you could certainly do this, on the freshly cut lawn like I am, but maybe make it a little harder and do it in the mud or in a puddle or in a stream, on the gravel, on the acorns, on the twigs, and in the forest undergrowth, maybe a squeaky wood floor. One way I like to do it is to kind of speed up my form, not allow myself to apply brakes, because this practice usually gets people to slow down and become much more present with their feet in the floor, which is nice. But I also like to kind of speed it up and try and make the manner of my getting quiet based on my skills in the art rather than just my skills in slowing down while I do the art. But they're both good. They're both fun. Make sure that when you're walking to class. Your studio needs you. Thank you. Love. Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.